Hey guys, welcome back to L-Dubs Investing. If you're new, welcome to the channel, and if you're not, thank you for dropping back in. In this video, we are talking cryptocurrency. We are talking about what is happening with the financial crisis linked to cryptocurrency. We are also talking about NFTs once again, and a lot more, guys. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to L-Dubs Investing. If you like this content and you want to see more videos on cryptocurrency, please do not forget to like and subscribe, guys. It is absolutely free. Let's jump in. Alrighty, having a look at the overall market today, we are definitely in the dark green to very dark green today. Looks like cryptocurrency once again is having a bit of a sell-off here. We have Bitcoin at 36,819, Ethereum at 2,500. We have ADA, XRP, Doge, BNB, Link, Matic, all in the dark red today. What is happening in the market, guys? Is this another sell-off? Is this another buy the dip opportunity? Let's get into it. Okay, NFT volume has more than tripled, even amid price crash as mem.com rises 5 million. The NFT sector has some exponential growth, tripling its transactions since January to push through the market crash this month. The popularity of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, shows little sign of slowing down, despite the extraordinary market-wide crash that wiped more than 1 trillion of the market cap. According to the report by decentralized app marketplace DappRadar, the average number of NFT sales rose almost 300% from 21,815 per day in January to 82,000 in May. This number rose even higher as crypto prices started to plummet on May 12th, with sales surging almost 94,000 NFT transactions per day. The crypto market crash, which created a widespread panic and almost 1 million leveraged trades got liquidated, almost resulting in serious congestion and exhaustion transaction fees across the Ethereum network. These surge gas fees didn't defer NFT traders, however, with many turning to other marketplaces on alternative blockchains like the Atomic Market on the EOSIO blockchain. Its daily transaction volume of 20,296 accounts is higher than any other NFT market, excluding NBA Top Shot. Although the number of trades has increased, the value per trade took a hit immediately as crypto prices started to drop. The first 11 days of May saw an average of 14.9 million trades daily. However, since then, the volume dropped to under 6 million per day. Many NFT owners appear willing to take a loss this month, with the average token sale price dropping from $180 to $70. Retail traders aren't the only ones pushing through challenging market conditions. Yesterday, internet trend platform mem.com announced it had raised $5 million for a new marketplace focused specifically on mem cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Ultimately, mem.com developers plan to create a coin market cap for mem tech content with charts and timelines where users can compare each mem and trend. The complex Instagram account already has 7.2 followers. What are your thoughts on this one? NFT space is absolutely exploding. Are you getting involved in this? Are you liking it? Are you taking advantage? Let me know in the comments. On to the next one. Alrighty, crypto will cause the next financial crisis, precious metal boss says. CEO of precious metals, royalty and streaming company Battaglia Royal and streaming Brett Heath has warned that crypto will lead the charge into the next financial crisis. Battaglia Royal and streaming in Canadian-based firm founded in 1983 and has a current net worth of almost $500 million. Battaglia offers exposure to precious metals through gold and silver royalties and streams. When you look back to the last few decades and you look at all the financial crises that happened, you know they all have a couple of things in common. And one of them is the mass adoption of a financial product of a new technology that is not very well understood. If we just rewind the mortgage crisis of 2018, we had the mass adoption of mortgage-backed securities, collateralized debt obligations, and once the public had embraced this financial product, then it crashed with a huge problem. The CEO described cryptocurrencies as a license for the private sector to print money, as he questioned the amount of liquidity that has been pumped into the market since the beginning of 2020. He drew a comparison with the United States M1 total liquid money in circulation. Note that since January 20, the M1 has increased by 4.5 times. According to the Federal Reserve, the M1 went from 4 billion in January 2020 to around 18.9 billion in April. That's an extraordinary issue and in such a short period of time. But if you look at cryptocurrency using the total market cap of cryptocurrency, it is over tenfold. What about the other 10,000 crypto-related tokens and coins that exist today, many of which have better technology, better privacy, and uses a lot less energy? What are your thoughts on this? Do you think crypto is going to cause this? I don't really think this is going to happen. It is something to think about. It is a brand new technology. It is almost 10 years old, but it's ever adopting. New technology is coming and building on top of this blockchain. I feel this is definitely the future. I think it's going to be the old money that's going to cause the next financial crisis. That's just in my opinion. Let's get on to the next. Alrighty, carbon neutral Bitcoin funds gain traction as investors seek greener crypto. Steps are being taken to ensure green Bitcoin options for investors, but may only serve as a short-term solution to long-term problems. BTC has been a hot topic of discussion lately, even for those outside the core crypto community. But unfortunately, it is not for the best of reasons. In particular, the amount of energy required to mine Bitcoin has created concerns for investors who are concerning BTC as an option to diversify. According to the Cambridge Center of Alternative Finance, Bitcoin currently consumes around 110 terawatts per year. A Harvard Business Review article further noted that the equates to 0.55% of global electricity production, which is roughly equivalent to that of a small country. Although this is the case, it's important to point out that any industry that adds value to society will likely have an environmental impact. Yet with the rise of global warming and the environmental concerns today, it becomes crucial for crypto sector to recognize the amount of energy consumption required to mine Bitcoin. As the concern is brought to function, individuals within the cryptocurrency community can then come up with solutions to combat this challenge forward. I wish the Bitcoin community would move to more efficient consensus mechanism, but I don't think this will happen. So we have to come up with a solution now to fix the challenges with proof of work consensus. By absorbing the cost of Bitcoin's carbon footprint, we are giving investors an option to get more green exposure to Bitcoin. We think that this is a unique and important offering that will help convince investors that have been on the fence about Bitcoin. There are plenty of investors who want exposure to Bitcoin, but they question its energy footprint, especially the institutions that have environmental, social, government goals to meet. What are your thoughts on this? Do you even care? Is this something to relate to? We can all do our part to help the overall community and obviously the overall planet. But hey, like it said, any new technology that emerges is going to leave a massive footprint. But hey, is the blockchain going to do more good for the world? I think it is. But hey, we can always do our part. Alrighty, Australian Post combines NFT and NFC tech for digital postage stamps. The Australian Post is set to incorporate a near-field communication to its award-winning fungible token digital postcode stamp. Australia's postal service is set to adopt even more digital technology protocols for its non-fungible token postage stamps. In the recent announcements, the Australian Post revealed plans for incorporating near-field communication chips in the Crypto Stamp 3.0, the third integrates of this limited NFT postage stamp collectible series. These embedded NFC chips will allow stamp owners to verify the authority of the physical stamp based on a metadata tied to the digital twin sorted in the blockchain. Indeed, the Australia Post made history back in 2019 by becoming the first government-backed institution to launch an NFT. The Australian Post Crypto Stamp also won numerous awards at the NFT Awards in 2020, including Adoption Potential Award and the People's Choice Award. For the first time, NFC technology is also being used on an Australian Post stamp. The Crypto Stamp 3.0 is based on an NFC-supported authenticated check and is cryptographically encrypted. By reading out the NFC chip, both the automatic and the digital twin can be revealed. Great news for Australia. This is great. The Australian Post really getting behind crypto, really getting behind the NFTs. Has anyone used any? Please let me know. Is anyone wanting to use any? Please also let me know in the comments. It'll be fantastic to talk to someone or at least get some comments on it. It'll be fantastic, guys. On to the next one. Hey, guys. Thanks for sticking around towards the end. Please don't forget, if you like this content, don't forget, like and subscribe. Absolutely free, guys. Speaking of free, you want to get yourself some free Bitcoin, check out the pinned comment to CoinSpot and, of course, Coinbase, guys. If you want to get yourself a free stock, check out the pinned comment to Stake, and we will spin the roulette wheel. See you next time.